It's amazing how quickly your sink can lose its shine and gather all sorts of grime, from food stains to water spots and buildup around the drain. A quick rinse just won't do the job. So today I will show you a simple and effective way to bring back that sparkle using Gumption and Barkeeper Friend. You will love the end results. Start by using Gumption applied with a magic sponge. This cleaner works wonders as it is mildly abrasive, so it scrubs away stock on grime, grease and all food stain without damaging your sink. It is perfect for everyday mess and safe for stainless steel. Now here is a key spot, the drain area. A lot of food particles and oils build up here and can cause unpleasant smells. Make sure to give it a solid scrub, along with the corners and the lip of the sink. These are the areas that collect the most hidden gunk, so I like to work in circles and go over tough spots more than once. Once everything's loosened up, I grab a damp microfiber cloth and wipe it all down. Microfiber is great because it picks up the residue without leaving streaks. Make sure to rinse your cloth as you go, so you are not just smearing the dirt around. Quick pause. If you are enjoying this transformation, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy cleaning tips and tricks. Let's get back to it. Next up, Barkeeper's Friend. This step takes your sink from clean to sparkling. It's both a polish and a cleaner, designed to cut through hard water spots, limescale, and that dull film that builds up over time. Give it a good scrub, especially where you see dullness or water rings. I always spend extra time around the drain to get it really shiny. It's the focal point of the sink once it's clean. Once you have scrubbed and polished every surface, rinse the sink thoroughly. You want to remove any remaining cleaner. And then use a dry microfiber cloth to buff it dry. Drying is super important. It prevents water spots and keeps the shiny finish looking flawless. To keep your sink looking this good, here are a few quick tips. First, rinse off food scrubs right after using the sink. Wipe it dry after heavy use, especially if you have hard water. Deep clean once a week using the same Gumption plus Barkeeper's combo. And toss a bit of baking soda down the drain weekly to help fight odors. And just like that, your sink goes from dirty and dull to shiny and spotless. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what's the next area in your kitchen you want to tackle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.